What's up, Kabarkada? I am Kelvin.
Let's go!
I am Kelvin Roy YouTube channel, and today we are going to do the Chubby Bunny Challenge with
That Chobay Bonai challenge.
Chubby Bunny Challenge with a twist. Kailangan ang pag-pronounce ng Chubby Bunny ay may accent, like British, like Chubby Bunny.
Chobay Bonai.
So I am with my friends Von David Oliva and Jason Magasol. So meron kami dito sa bahay nila Von. So thank you for letting us in. So yun na.
Ano yun?
Okay, so
Tara, let's go, Chobay Bonai!
So, ready na?
Oh, let's go. What is this one?
get one. Get one piece, bro.
Ano na ito ganun ako?
Kaon mo?
Wala, balik ako.
Sige, tara.
Okay.
One.
Wow, with
Chubby
accent
Bunny.
daw, with accent. 1, 2.
Ay, Kev!
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Chubby Bunny. Yan.
One na one.
Dito. 1, 2, 3, go. Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chobay Bonai. Ay, wait. Chobay Bonai.
1, 2, 3, go.
Gusto pa akong go.
Go. Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chobay Bonai.
No.
Chubby Bunny.
3. Hindi mo lang.
1, 2, 3, go. Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chobay Bonai. Okay, go.
Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny. Namaga na. Ay, gagawin ko.
Wala na naog. Mura ni liquid ni ko. Hindi ko masampansit kanton.
A few moments later.
So since walang nanalo sa round 1 at kami ay pantay-pantay ng nakuha na scores and damaka na to eh. So meron na kaming cellophanes sponsored by NCCC. Thank you so much NCCC for this sponsorship. So round 2 na. So first on this round 2.
I am trained.
I'm ready. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3.
Chubby Bonai.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny. Ito na.
1, 2, 3, go.
Chubby Bonnie.
Chubby Bonnie.
Chocolate ball.
Okay.
Ah,
1, 2, 3, go. Chubby Bonnie.
Chubby Bonnie.
Chubby Bonnie.
Four na four.
Four. Chubby Bonnie.
Chubby Bonnie.
Chubby Bonnie.
5.
Chubby Bonnie.
Chubby Bonnie.
Chubby Bonnie.
No.
7. World record na kami guys.
Chubby Bonnie.
Chubby Bonnie. Masarap.
Para sa carpfish.
Oh shit! Wait! May pansit lang to! Ilang pakawan sa iro. So there you go guys, I hope you like this video and sorry kung hindi ako consistent sa pag-post kasi busy sa school. And if you like this video, make sure to give a big thumbs up and make sure to subscribe if you're still new. And sige na! See you soon. See
You.
Kabarkada.